Hi sellers, welcome to Sellers First YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to get onboard Tarbook for BE Marine, BTech Marine, GME, DME and for ETO. So guys, getting onboard Tarbook is very simple. Only thing we have to follow the correct step, how to mail, how to pay and everything. So in this video, I am going to clarify all your doubts. Let's go into the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So guys, to get Onboard Tarbook, we required course completion certificate. But nowadays, DG is not giving course completion certificate, as I said in my previous video. How to get Onboard Tarbook without course completion certificate? What all certificate you have to attach with the mail? Everything we are going to see. Let's start with Google. In Google, just type IMEI Mumbai. See IMEI Mumbai. You can type IMEI or you can type directly IMARE. So we have to click this website. This is the official website to get our Onboard Tarbook for engineers. See, this is the Institute of Marine Engineer. So we have to go to student corner. In this we can see Tarbook registration procedure and Tarbook. So I know the procedure, so I am going to directly to Tarbook. After this we have to click register if you are new. In this we have to fill our name, date of birth, nationality, receipt number, leave it. This wherever they put star, it is compulsory. Date of receipt, this is also not compulsory. You have to write your passport and date of issue, CDC and CDC date of issue and your address. This address is very compulsory. You have to fill your present address and institution training details. What course we did, where we did, everything we have to write here, and joining date, course completion date. Course completion date, nowadays we are not completed course, so just you write your theory part completion date. Okay, in your theory part certificate you can see the date. So after that, pre-C Tarbook, here you can fill your college Tarbook number. For E2 you can fill your roll number. This is the main thing. You have to click collection personally. If you want to collect personally, you can click I will collect personally, or they want to courier to your address, you can click this. Please send by mail at the registered address. So after that, for payment there is two options we can choose here. I want to pay online through website, personal banking, or I will pay the cash at the time. If you are collecting directly to IMEI, then you can choose this, or if they want to courier to you, you can pay online. You just click this and enter code. This is CAPTCHA. You have to enter this and you have to click submit. After clicking submit, they will send you one registration mail like this. In this registration mail, they will give one username and password, unique ID and password. So what you have to do? You don't have to do nothing with this mail. You just copy this username and password, come to this login page, enter your username and password and enter this CAPTCHA, what he has written here, login. In this page, we cannot do nothing. Just we can check our details, we fill correctly or not. And you can change password, but no, not required. So after this, we have to pay for Tarbook. We can pay by two methods. We can go to student corner and Tarbook registration procedure. So in that, what they said was we have to submit all the documents. I will tell what are the documents, and you have to make payment via NEFT or depositing of cash into Axis Bank account. They given their Axis Bank account. You can transfer amount by NEFT or you can deposit directly in bank. But the best method is we can buy online. For ETO Tarbook, it is 300 plus 100 rupees for postage. For FG Tarbook for engineers, it is 600 plus 100 for postage. In this we can find buy online. So we have to click that and directly we can come down. You can find here category ETO for Tarbook registration. For ETO, it costs only 300 plus 100 rupees for postage for courier. Okay, here you can see total 400. So after that you can come down and you can click buy now. And same procedure for engineers, you can find Onboard Tarbook for 4-year BE, 2-year diploma and 1-year GME, and the Tarbook cost is 600 plus 100 postage, so total 700 rupees. You have to click this and you can click down buy now. So it will come like this. We can fill everything and we can pay online. After we fill everything, we have to click pay online or pay with Paytm. So better go with pay online. After clicking pay now, it will go to our payment portal. So in this we can choose our card is Visa card or MasterCard or Maestro. I am going with Visa. So we can enter our debit card details and everything, and we can click pay now, and after successful payment it will come successful payment register page. So you have to download that page as PDF and save. So after successful payment we will get mail also, same like this. In this mail they return this is automatic mail, so please do not reply in this mail, it will not process. See, one of my friend forwarded his all certificates and his address to this payment successful mail, but still now he not get his Tarbook. So this is not the correct procedure. I will tell you how to get. So after successful payment, you have to send mail to administration. I will show the mail ID. You have to send this to this address, administration@imare.in. So you have to mail like this. First you have to write your postal address for courier with your PIN code and mobile number, and you have to attach any of your one STCW courses. You can attach your SDST course or PSR, FBFP, whatever else, and you have to attach your payment receipt that you got in that payment portal, and you have to attach your theory part course completion certificate. It will be like this. Nowadays DG and institution is not providing course completion certificate after your course completion, so you can attach your theory part course completion certificate like this. Has successfully completed theory part of GME. So he did GME, he completed his GME theory part. Now he went for sailing. So we have to attach our theory part course complete certificate and any one of our STCW courses. You can attach 1, 2, no problem, and your payment successful PDF. With that we have to mail to this email ID. After this, within 1 or 2 days, you can get this courier tracking ID from the IMEA Mumbai. So this is the correct method. You have to mail to IMEA as I said. So guys, some guys is not getting Tarbook because they not send mail properly. You have to send your PDF of your payment successful, and do not do reply with that payment mail. You do a separate mail as I said. You can also forward that successful registration mail to the administration mail ID. As I already said in my last video, you have to carry your onboard Tarbook to ship and have to fill and get signature with your second engineer and chief engineer. For more details about Tarbook assessment and course completion certificate, check the video link in the description. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. See you, bye bye. Please subscribe to Culinary Classics by Caroline. This is my fiancé channel.